green. Just got hit by a car. Need units on 24.
Copy. White truck facing eastbound, right eye of Buzzer Reservoir.
$60 miles an hour. Still right shoulder. He's running towards the freeway.
Head on into Lafayette. TC, head on into Lafayette unit, Bluebell towards the freeway.
Yeah, we need units on 24. He jumped onto 24. He's running across 24. We're in all green. Just got hit by a car. Need units on 24.
On 24 got hit by a car. We're in all green. Code 3 medic. Lafayette unit.
Attempting to carjack a white sedan.
Attempting to carjack a white sedan.
Every unit on 24. He's running up to every car he can.
All units to 24. We're to head on with the Lafayette car.
The Lafayette car. He's forcing entry right now into a car.
Forcing entry into a...
Driving off with him, hanging off the car. He's entering the tunnel. Left for the tunnel, or right for the tunnel.
Copy. 215 vehicle, right door. What's the description on that car?
The four-door white Toyota Highlander. He's in the car. 215 it. He's in the tunnel now.
White Toyota Highlander, 215 it in the tunnel.
White with we lost visual. He's going through the tunnel. It's white with a sunroof.
It's not working well. He actually taking the left on Keller Avenue. Actually taking the left on Keller. Left on Mountain Boulevard for Keller. Now passing Maynard and getting back on west on Canadian. Okay, just keep with another car.
Go the wrong way.
TC with another vehicle.
Again, now he's running across the lanes of traffic, running to the south.
Southbound across 580, Footbill.
He's shedding clothes. He's running southbound up the freeway, the side of the freeway.
Southbound up the side of the freeway, shedding clothes. Making contact.
Dog 20, dog bite.
Copy, dog bite.
Dog contact.
Copy, good canine bite with your additional.
He looks like he's still fighting with him.
Copy, units in the physical.
I want to take him into custody. He has ambulance at the end of the road where all of our patrol units are staged.
Copy, taking him into custody and affirm AMR to where the patrol vehicles are.
We are getting clear. We have all of that on video, and well done on the ground, fellas.